Cat wakes up in the morning and scroll his phone. He sees new snacks. So Cat goes to the grocery store. He saw. At the checkout, Cat is ready to pay. But the final price is higher than the price of the products. That's because the snack charged sales tax. Cat checks his pocket. He doesn't have enough fish left. So Cat puts snack back and goes home. Cat starts wondering where all these taxes go. So he searches online. The government needs money to run the country and provide public services. That money can help pay for things such as roads, schools, hospitals, police, firefighters, public transportation, garbage collection, and other government services. Cat uses some of these services every day without even thinking about them. Cat sees an advertisement for the exact snack he wanted. The product is coming from another country. It's cheaper than buying it locally. Cat gets excited and orders it. When the package enters Cat's country, the government charged a tariff on the imported product. A tariff is a tax placed on certain goods coming into a country from abroad. Cat receives the package and notices an extra charge. Now Cat realizes that buying something from another country can come with an additional tax. The next day, Cat needs to travel somewhere. He gets into his Catmobile and starts driving. After a while, the fuel runs low. Cat stops at a gas station and fills the tank. The price of gasoline can include an excise tax. Excise taxes are special taxes placed on particular products, such as gasoline, tobacco, or alcohol, depending on the country. Cat watches the price of the gasoline increase. After paying for the fuel, Cat checks his pocket again. Now he has only one fish left. And his landlord is waiting to collect his rent. So Cat needs a job to make more fish. Cat finally gets a job at a fish factory. Cat works hard every day. At the end of the month, Cat earns 100 fish. Cat is excited. But when Cat receives his paycheck, he notices that some fish are missing. One of the taxes that may be deducted from Cat's earnings is income tax. Income tax is a tax on taxable income. Cat realizes that earning money can also create a tax bill. If Cat earns 100 fish every month and part of it goes to income tax, those missing fish can add up over time. Cat starts thinking about how much faster he could save if he could keep all of his earnings. Then Cat gets an idea. Cat decides he doesn't want to work for someone else anymore. So he uses his savings to start a small fish business. Cat makes products. Cat sells them. Other cats love his products. The business grows. Eventually, the company makes a profit. Cat thinks he has finally found a way to make more fish. But running a company can also create another tax. Corporate tax. Corporate tax is a tax that can be charged on the taxable profits of companies. Cat's business earns money, but the company may still have to pay tax on its taxable profits. Cat starts to realize that making money and paying taxes often come together. As Cat's business becomes larger, he builds a factory. The factory uses fossil fuels and produces carbon emissions. Cat's factory now has another expense. The more emissions it produces, the greater the potential carbon tax cost. Years pass. Cat's business becomes successful, but Cat becomes exhausted. He spends every day dealing with employees, customers, suppliers, paperwork, and taxes. Eventually, Cat decides he has had enough. He closes the business. But Cat has saved a large amount of fish. Now he wants his money to make money for him. Cat invests some of his savings into another company. Cat becomes an investor. He doesn't have to run the company. He doesn't have to manage the employees. He simply owns part of the investment. Years later, Cat checks his investment. He originally invested 1,000 fish. Now it is worth 2,000 fish. Cat has made a potential 1,000 fish gain. If Cat sells the investment for more than he paid, that profit may be subject to capital gains tax, depending on the country's rules. The tax generally applies to the gain rather than the entire amount Cat receives from the sale. After years of saving and investing, Cat decides to buy a house. Owning property can also create an ongoing property tax. Property tax is generally based on the value of property such as land or buildings. Cat now has a house, but he also has another bill that can arrive every year. Years later, Cat's house becomes much more valuable. Cat originally bought it for 500,000 fish. Now it is worth 900,000 fish. If Cat sells it, he could potentially make a 400,000 fish capital gain. Depending on the country's tax rules, that gain could be taxable. Cat doesn't want to sell the house anyway. So he keeps living there. Years pass. Cat gets older. By this point, Cat owns a house, investments, savings, and other assets. Cat has become very wealthy. Some countries have a wealth tax, which can apply to the value of certain assets or a person's net wealth. In a country with a wealth tax, Cat may have to pay tax based on the value of certain assets even if he hasn't sold them. Cat finally realizes that maybe he was born to pay taxes. No matter how hard he tries to escape, the government always finds a way to take his fish. Please subscribe to my cat.